Radio. You'll probably have a tablet of some sort, or an iPhone, for example, which you use to sketch or draw or use your fingers with. Yeah. Well, then you're probably wondering if a pencil is good or a touchscreen. So this is the Adonit Pro 3 and it works for all devices, of course. It's just a touchscreen stylus. So Photoshop Sketch is of course one of the most impressive things on the iPad which you can use to draw. And I'm going to draw something with my finger. So as you can see, the main problem is with drawing with your finger is that you have, I have bigger, I don't have really big fingers, but of course the stroke is pretty big. So if you use a pencil, like this one for example, you can do this. So as you can see, I could draw "Hi, this is Simon" just on the top with this on a very small surface, while I needed a much bigger surface to write it with my finger. So this is really the smallest I can go before I get cramp in my fingers. So I'm going to try again with the pencil. So as you can see, very clear that the pencil works way better when drawing something. Also, when just using it as a touchscreen pencil, it also works very well, as you can see. So if you're an artist, for example, I would definitely recommend a pencil for you to use. But if you're really an artist, you probably already have a pencil. But if you're starting to become an artist, maybe, this is pretty cheap and you can find all kinds of different pencils online that are pretty good. So this has a special tip, as you can see, which makes sure it's very, very detailed, the things you write. So yeah, pretty cool. Would definitely suggest it. Right, see ya.